Hello guys, this is Mike.
Hi, Ashley here.
We're here
Yeah,
in
apparently we're here in Cafe Princess, and this is some sort of a room that they have. It's Hello Kitty, and we're enjoying this family set on their menu.
yeah, it's around if you're curious, it's around
900 something.
yeah, 900
990.
990 I believe. Yep. That's
So we
correct.
forgot the price, but I think it's actually good. It's like pika pika, but it has rice
Alright,
and it
so
has corn dog.
yeah, just a quick
Look
look on the
on the room. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah.
yeah, I might as
Maybe we can
well
go there to the other side too.
just yeah, this is one of the small rooms here. Okay, so actually, yeah, we're here, but going to,
Unpack.
or we just unpacked.
A Galaxy Buds. Buds or Buds Pro Buds Live.
Case
Case.
from Spigen.
Yeah, so lately lang namin nalaman na hindi siya Spigen, it's Spigen.
Based from our first post of Spigen cases. Insert link.
Yeah, we mentioned Spigen, but it's actually oh no, Spigen. But it's Spigen. It's pronounced as Spigen. So yeah, that's what we are up to today. And
And here it is. The case for Galaxy Buds 2 Live and Pro. So yeah, it's out of focus and the lighting at the floor is too
it's too
bright.
much. It's too bright.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So regarding the case, this one is rough, rugged, and I like it. Like it so far of the
The texture.
yeah, the texture. It's similar, almost similar with the JBL speakers. If you they have a rugged look. Mm-hmm. And yes, it's not soft. It has plastic, so it's hard. It's a hard case. Outside is has a rugged look. All right. So far, I don't see any stick-ons like some cases of Spigen. Yeah, excuse me for the autofocus.
This room is epic.
Yeah, there
Very
are
kids.
kids.
Not our kids yet.
Okay. So let me just set this aside and let's look at the bottom case. So yes, it's also plastic, made out of plastic. And there is something here. Oh, I guess there's a felt like texture here, if you can see. But yeah, it's a bit out of focus. Or yeah, yeah. Can you try to light it up, Ash?
Wait.
And yes, on the sides, it's also rugged. This one is rugged. This one is rugged.
There.
There we go. Yeah. So this one is a bit plastic, though a bit of rubbery also. Yeah, it's a bit
Polymer.
matte.
I think it's
So
polymer.
going back here on the on the inside, yeah, this one is felt like, and then this one is plastic, as you can see, and also it has a carabiner, and
Carabiner.
the actual, since it's hard, or I mean it's a hard plastic, then I guess I feel secure of having a carabiner here. It will not stretch out from the case if you're going to pull it out and all. All right, so we have our Galaxy Buds here, and
We're gonna fit it.
yeah.
Fit it off or fit it on this one. And
Alright.
let's try to check. Because I'm really starving now. I want to eat.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, let's tackle a bit on the instructions here. They have like do's and don'ts. So what they say about gently push the orange area and do not like pull it off, right? If I'm not mistaken.
The do's and the don't.
Don't pull it off there, so do pull it on the side, right? Okay, on the sides. Don't pull it at the top part. Okay. And what else? Installation. Don't device front. Oh, don't do it on a different way. So it should be.
Do not interchange it.
I mean,
So
do
this
not
is the
put it.
front.
No, I mean, do not put it on upside down. That's what they say.
Okay,
Okay. All right.
let's try it on.
Yeah. So
So while we are putting it out, enjoy the view of the food. It's sumptuous, right?
I guess you can now turn off the light. I mean the
No,
flashlight. Yeah, it's good. I mean,
Okay.
yeah,
See?
yep,
It's
bet-
different.
I mean, it's
Plink.
the
Doink,
ambient
doink.
light is better, I believe. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So here's our Galaxy Buds 2. So again,
I think you need a flashlight.
hmm?
I think you need a flashlight.
Again, this case I believe is compatible with 3 Galaxy Buds 2 Live and Pro. All right. So, okay. So, do number 1. Do not put this upside down. Just put it this way. All right. And as they have said, if you're going to attach, do not from the top, just from the sides. Okay. Or do not pull it off from the top there. So there's a clip on. There's a clip on from the top.
There's a click sound.
Yeah, you will notice a click sound from the top.
It means that it's secured.
Yep. Next,
Put it on the bottom or the base.
base. So it's only one. Yeah, you can only put it on one face. You cannot like fit it on the other way around or whatever. So it doesn't say anything about do's and don'ts at the bottom. It's all about the top part of the case. So all we have to do now is just
Fit it in.
fit it in. And it clicked.
Ooh, there's a click sound.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
So that's the light. LED light, right?
So let's see. So let me just close it. And you can see the charging light from let me open and close again, and you can
There we go.
you can turn off the light so that it will show the green light.
No, it's okay. Okay.
So again, open, and then there. So you can still see the charging light while from the outside of the case. And here is the look from the back. And yes, it is a bit exposed because when you open the case, there it will protrude in anything. And also it's because of the
Charging port.
charging port. Alright. Next, we might as well test while we're here. Can I have that power bank for a minute? So we have this Samsung power bank, and it's capable of wireless charging. So let's see if we can wireless charge the the what you call it,
The buds.
the buds,
Two. Is it the two one?
while
Okay.
and yes, it's charging. Wow.
It's on the Spigen.
Yeah. Let's do it again. There we go. See? So it you can still wireless charge with the case on for this case. I mean, yeah, with this case.
Even if you have the case, you can still use it. You can still charge it without removing the item itself from um, the cover or from its cover.
You're right. Okay. So
That's pretty much it.
that's pretty much it for today. And yes, I'm satisfied with the rugged look of
The Spigen.
Spigen
of the
case. Yeah, I
the
like it.
protective case. And I think it's a must, especially for those people on the go, because it's comfy and hindi siya magkakaroon ng gasgas. Excuse the hands. And it has this one. So you can just put it on your short or in your bag or like a keychain or something like that.
Well, it's an option, but yeah, I find it. I feel not secured or for this.
What?
I mean, because it might like. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm just afraid that it will fall off or open accidentally.
I hope not. I hope not.
But so far, I just put it inside my bag rather than left it hanging on my shorts or whatever.
Well, it's up to you because there are some people on the go, but this is a suggestion.
Mm.
Anyway, yeah, if it falls off, then those people can just buy a new one
Yeah, for
for them,
them.
not for us. Okay.
Okay, so if you're interested on the product, you can always check on the description. And we will also put our latest reviews regarding the product. Uh-huh. Yep. And it's so small. It's like we're showing
The food.
the food rather than the item.
It's okay.
Let's see. Well, I might as well put it like no. No. It's
No,
like
this is fine.
no. Oh, this is the buds too. Wrong,
Yeah.
wrong box. It's a wrong box. Sorry about that.
Yeah, you can open it because that one is closed on the box. You can open the case.
Like
There
that.
we go. Yeah.
You
Okay,
sure?
Vicky.
And
A quick
for the
look.
closing or for our thumbnail, just making a thumbnail out of it. Yep. One more. And there we go. Yep. That's excuse me. Pretty much it.
Alrighty, well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have any questions, just comment us or just place your comments or your questions, whatever it is, or any suggestions. And that's it.
Yep. And that will be all till our next
Unpacking. Have a good one. Bye.